Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix yellow triangle sign on C drive in Windows 11 or 10. So to resolve this problem, click on Start, type here Control Panel, open Control Panel. Now view by as select small icons. Now here guys, in this list you have to find out BitLocker, this one. So right click on it and open it. Now guys, here just you have to turn on BitLocker. So click on turn on BitLocker, then close and try. Hopefully this method work and triangle will be removed. If this method not work, so try second method. Click on start. Now type CMD. Right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now guys, you have to copy and paste or type this command line. Manage dash BDE space C semicolon space dash off, then press enter. Now close it and restart. So hopefully guys, using this method you can fix yellow triangle sign on C drive in Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.